everyone, welcome back to the FloorCast. What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to install my new Cortec Grande.
Did you hire a professional?
I don't think we need one. What could possibly go wrong? So in today's episode, what we're actually going to do is give you a rundown of which floors you should DIY
and which you should leave to the professionals. We want to clarify that this is not intended to be a guide.
While we will be sharing the basics on how to install, each manufacturer has very specific guidelines for installation.
So be sure to follow specific instructions for your manufacturer.
Now let's DIY into it. Don't try to install carpet on your own.
Seriously, don't.
Carpet installation is a very complicated process that falls outside this video's scope.
However, we wanted to explain the basics.
Put simply, carpet first has to be cut to match the space's dimensions perfectly. The carpet then needs to be hooked to tack strips along the periphery of each wall in your space, and then it needs to be stretched with specialized equipment to a precise tension. Not tight enough and you'll be left with loose air pockets underneath, but too tight and you'll rip the carpet. Unless you have experience, it is highly recommended that you hire a professional.
Why?
What?
You don't install area rugs.
Sure you do. You unroll it in your room.
We're moving on.
But I haven't even... A floating or click installation is one of the easiest methods of installing a hard surface product.
Most laminates, as well as some luxury vinyl and hardwoods, offer floating installation.
While certain clicking styles aren't recommended for DIY,
like Cortec Grande due to its size,
most clicking or locking styles are great choices for DIY projects. Unless you have experience, installing floors with nails or staples should not be DIY.
We recommend you hire a professional.
However, some nail or staple floors comes with multiple methods of installation.
So you may be able to install it with an adhesive or even floating.
But don't assume that this is the case. Check the manufacturer's specifications and instructions for your specific flooring before installation.
Now let's talk about adhesive.
To install planks with adhesive, you will first need to spread the adhesive across the subfloor.
Then slot the planks together.
So while you could do it yourself, we recommend that any glue or adhesive installation be completed by professionals. Well, that should just about do it for our DIY-cotomy of installation types.
Again, we want to remind you not to use this video as a guide.
We're here to give advice on what can be DIY'd versus what should be done by professionals.
But if you're looking for specific installation instructions, those come from the manufacturer.
Your salesperson should be able to provide you with this information, or at least point you to where you can find it.
Additionally, if you're looking for a professional flooring installer in your area, cfiinstallers.org is a great resource.
All you have to do is type in your city or zip code,
and you will be provided with a list of certified flooring installers in your area.
Well, we hope you found this information helpful in picking which flooring is right for you.
If you have any questions, please be sure to let us know in the comment section down below.
And if you enjoyed what you saw, there's a subscribe button down there. You should click it.
Please.
It just takes a minute. We'll wait. Well, hopefully they've clicked it by now. Until next time,
stay on trend
with FloorCast.